Hello everyone, welcome to Elora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this Mexican rice Indian style. This came out really well. You should definitely try out this recipe. Let's get started and check out the recipe. Take oil 4 teaspoon, add garlic 1 teaspoon, add onion 1 finely chopped. Now fry them for 2 minutes in high flame. 1 tomato paste, add little water and let them cook. 1 carrot and half cup of green peas. Add salt as per your taste. I have taken frozen peas. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, oregano 1 teaspoon, and red chili powder half teaspoon. Taco masala 2 teaspoon. If you do not have this, you can skip it, but make sure you add oregano and chili flakes and mix them well. 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. This will balance out the taste, so definitely add this. Now add the boiled rajma of 1 cup. Mix it for 2 minutes. Keep the flame high. Now add capsicum 1/4 cup. I'm adding capsicum liter so that it will not get fully cooked. We can keep it little crunchy. Add coriander. Add lemon juice of 2 teaspoons. This will enhance the taste. Add cooked basmati rice. I had taken 1.5 cup of basmati rice and cooked it separately. Strain the water and adding it to the masala. Now mix them well. And our Mexican rice is almost ready. You should definitely try out this recipe. This goes very well with cucumber raita, or you can also enjoy it with any gravy. If anyone doesn't like to eat rajma, then you can definitely try out this recipe. Everyone will love to have this fried rice. So thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.